Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence, HI, presents to companies in the process of digital transformation. The case, strategic sourcing at Procter & Gamble. That presents an example of the new paradigm, at the beginning of this century, to purchase P&G's long-term contracts for all its trucking services in the United States. We can say that since the beginning of this century, at P&G the purchasing process has said goodbye Excel. This case is supported in the paper. Changing the Game in Strategic Sourcing at Procter & Gamble, Expressive Competition Enabled by Optimization. This article is from the publication made to announce that Procter & Gamble had won the Franz Edelman Prize in 2005. Sourcing Optimization. The detailed expressions of supply and demand are brought together via an advanced optimization engine to decide the optimal allocation of business to the suppliers. By March 2005, over a period of 2.5 years, P&G had sourced over $3 billion through expressive commerce and seen $294.8 million, 9.6%, in recommended savings. Procter & Gamble implemented Combined Net's approach to building supply networks, called expressive competition, which looks beyond lower-priced reverse auctions and combinatorial package bidding, turning towards a highly expressive commercial relationship with suppliers, which allows electronic offers to be made that express rich forms of productive capabilities and efficiencies. As a buyer, P&G also uses expressive language to set constraints and preferences. Detailed expressions of supply and demand are brought together via an optimization engine, which optimally assigns business to suppliers. P&G suppliers benefited from the win-win approach. Expressive competition tailored demand to the most efficient means of production, rather than squeezing suppliers' profit margins, and eliminated their exposure risks when making bids. Beyond monetary savings, benefits include redesigning supply networks with a quantitative understanding of trade-offs, and the ability to implement them in weeks rather than months. Case: supply of cargo transport services in trucks. An example of the new paradigm is the sourcing of P&G's long-term contracts for all its trucking services in the U.S. over the next 12 months, which corresponds to a purchase of $885 million. In 2005, there were 7,161 trips to be procured, multiple weekly shipments in each, with 137 carriers bidding. Due to the flexibility allowed by the expressive tender, the carriers submitted 160,797 bids. The unrestricted savings potential of these offerings amounted to $47 million. Three main factors contributed to these potential savings. First, carriers submitted 720 package offers for trip combinations, in which they offer lower prices, because they can reduce empty driving through backhauls and multi-leg routes. Second, carriers presented 33 conditional discounts and 6 discount lists. Third, P&G collaborated with 2 of its retailers in a novel way. They invited carriers to bid on both P&G truck trips and retailers, allowing carriers to build beneficial backhaul deliveries and multi-leg routes, even in ways that would have been impossible with P&G trips alone. To build a quantitative, supply-based understanding of supply chain offsets, P&G used the Scenario Builder user interface to navigate through more than 550 scenarios before deciding on the final award. The final scenario had 146,294 constraints, which were automatically built from 120 business rules. The implementable savings after applying the restrictions and preferences were 6 million, 0.7%, low qual fue notable dato que los precios habían aumentado entre el 6 years el 9%. Additionally, as important information for P&G, the model valued the cost of P&G's business rules, which amounted to $41 million, which avoided capturing a potential $47 million in savings. Discovering bad qualitative decisions is winning in the long run. With the Scenario Builder interface for expressive bid evaluation, the buyer can: first, set constraints and preferences on a rule, selecting the rule type and its parameters, on the left. Second, select the scope to which the rule should be applied, on the right. Third, the buyer adds the rule to the scenario, and it will appear at the bottom in natural language, along with all the rules that the buyer has already added to this scenario, and fourth, after specifying the scenario, the buyer hits the Optimize Now button. This causes that the optimizer finds the optimal allocation of purchases for this scenario. By March 2005, over a 2.5-year period, P&G had saved $294.8 million. By applying expressive competition to 29 complex events and sourcing more than $3 billion in transportation, raw materials, services and packaging. In addition, CombinedNet has begun other high-profile optimization projects to help P&G reduce costs and increase profits. Starting in March 2005, P&G planned to increase the 10% avoided cost to 20 to 30% over the next 1 or 2 years. If the same savings to spending ratio is maintained, mathematical models will save for P&G $1 billion more in 4 years. The image presents the algebraic formulation of P&G's sourcing optimization model. Without fear of being wrong, it can be said that Procter & Gamble's mathematical optimization models are their golden goose. CombinedNet's approach to building supply networks was key to the gains made. Like Herbert Simon, Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence believes that computer-based mathematical modeling is the greatest invention of all time. Thank you for your attention.